we can just get rid of this Kelly Olynyk card.
We don't say his name. We don't dignify him by speaking his name.
Welcome back, card fans, to one of every Prizm basketball. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. We've got the hanger pack, not hanger boxes anymore, the blaster box, mega box, and the cello.
Let's do it.
Let's jump in. Do you want to do the cello and I'll do the hanger? And we'll just like get both these ready to go. As always, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new to these parts. Leave a comment down below.
Yeah.
Say hey.
What team are you supporting this year in the National Basketball Association?
You should know from our name, but oh my gosh, okay. I'm just going to be flipped every order, which way. Joe Weiskamp.
Kind of like the background, kind of looks like a basketball court.
Yeah. Franz.
Franz Wagner.
Of course, now that I'm not flipping, they're all the other way again.
Your
There
cousin.
we go. Victor Oladipo. Trinwara. Anthony Edwards. Nice. Deshaun Tate. Joel Embiid Global Reach.
Booker.
I'm assuming that says dominant. Not.
Or dominance.
Yeah.
Dominoes.
Instant Impact. Franz Wagner looks like a Prizm. Yeah,
He didn't
nice.
have an instant impact at Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse last night.
Jimmy Butler green. Probably just like a, green for green's sake.
Schroeder.
And here we go into our orange cracked ice. Desmond Bain. Michael Porter Jr.
Jason
Jason
Kidd.
That's a cool card.
Yeah.
And DeAndre Ayton.
Former #1 overall pick.
Yeah, I think he's still
DeAndre
good,
Ayton.
right?
Yeah, he's good enough.
Right,
Weren't they in the finals one time?
Yeah. I don't know if he's like the reason for it.
It's all right.
I think people like him.
Vince
Vince
Carter,
Carter.
that's sick.
Jeez.
Bones
Bones.
Island. Karl Malone.
Malone. We got the old man pack.
Shake Milton, that's a made-up basketball player name. Derek White. Enes Kanter.
One of my favorite names coming up.
Alperen Sengun.
Patty
Mills.
Mills.
Silver Prizm. Derek White green. Rozier. Finney Smith.
Do you have any rookies in that?
Terrence Davis. No, but I do have a bonus pack.
Ooh, I think this is the red, white, and blues. Usually.
Red, white, and blue usually?
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice.
Cantor. Never heard of her.
Yeah.
Siakam.
Let's see a Mobley.
And Jason
No.
Kidd.
Well, if you're a Jason Kidd fan, we're not kidding. This is the video for you. That was bad.
Well,
But you guys let me make jokes. Fun part about these videos is just kind of seeing like what you get from each of these. The Prizm hangers are like, I think like 40-ish, maybe a little more. The Prizm blasters are like, probably like 40 or 50, 45, 50. The megas are like 90, so that better be super good. And the cellos, you can still, they were on Target's website for like 15 for a while, so they're probably going for like 25, 30 in the secondary market. Josh Giddey, rookie. That's
did
nice.
Jason Kidd ever win the finals?
No idea. That was like definitely in an era where I was not paying any attention to basketball. Jay Crowder, Saban Lee, and Isaiah Todd.
These packs are heavy. 9 cards.
Oh, we're doing the blaster.
Oh, okay.
Jeez.
All right. I thought we were
Man, jumping
all
ahead.
over the place. Blaster. Oh, dominance on the back.
Oh, so it is dominance?
Rasheed Wallace. Schroeder
Another Schroeder.
again. Stewart. And
Dominance KD.
Durant.
Nice. Is he even all that dominant anymore?
Yeah, he's still good.
Yeah, we got one of the inserts on the back here, I believe. Looks like some color. Kyrie. LaMelo.
Ooh,
David
that's cool.
Johnson in the
Jason
75 years. I think that's like a... I don't know. I think that's a decently rare
All right.
parallel.
Well, we haven't gotten our 1 of 1 yet.
That's true. What the heck? I said when we started filming tonight, I really wanted a 1 of 1.
Sailing Jugs.
I think that's a pretty good... I think Jalen Suggs is pretty good.
All right.
Ooh!
Monte Morris.
What is that numbered at all? That's cool. Cracked ice.
Yeah. Denver Nuggets.
Alright, there's a couple of cool inserts from the Blaster so far. Between the 75th and the...
Gotta be careful in combining insert and blaster in the same sentence.
Yes. Zion.
He's having a good season so far, I think.
Yeah, it's about time. Aaron Nesmith. Pistons.
Cade Cracked. Oh,
This
some
guy.
guy.
This freaking guy.
Last pack of the Blaster.
Yeah. I definitely, so far out of all these, the Blaster, I think, has been the best.
I could agree with that. More Cracked Dice.
Okay, so Cracked Ice definitely not numbered. Get it.
Marcus Smart.
Nice. Green Garuba. Scotty Lewis.
Rookie.
And the news. That's Huey.
Oh, that's Huey.
My bad. Mega time.
All right.
These are 9 cards. I like that.
9 cards.
9 cards. We got a silver. Some cracked ice. This guy. Dominance Harden. Celtics.
Harden on the 76ers still.
No, didn't get traded.
He got traded from Brooklyn to the 76ers.
Didn't he get traded to like Philly?
That was the 76ers.
Yeah, I thought he got like sent back.
Oh,
I don't know. I have no clue. Joel Embiid. Harold. Kessler. Patrick Ewing.
That's a lot of old guys in here.
Rudy Gay.
All right, my first. What are we calling this? Mega?
Mega Box. We definitely weren't gonna go hobby of Prizm.
Some colors back here. Kawhi.
Nice.
Andre Drummond. Scotty
Nice.
Barnes.
There you
Crowder Pink Cracked Ice.
go. Interesting.
Sadiq Bey. Oh, God.
Oh,
Kai
Kai
Jones,
Jones, pink
pink.
rookie. That's nice.
It's fun. Josh Giddey and Paul Millsap. Silver.
Yeah, we can just get rid of this Kelly Olynyk card.
We don't say his name.
Yeah, what is...
We don't dignify him by speaking his name.
Yeah, if I ever see his shoulder socket. Oh, we got another one of these.
Chetty, it's our first Cav.
Yeah. What the heck? I like if this next one's it's not a cat. It's a Nick. Quentin Grimes.
That's not somebody I know.
Correct.
Chris Duarte.
I feel like I've heard of him.
Yeah. Aaron Gordon, I remember him.
Og.
OG. Anunoby.
JT Thor.
How many rookies do the freaking Hornets have?
All of them.
All right.
Sheet Wallace. Jalen Suggs again.
Sailing Jugs.
John Stockton.
Those are some of the best
All right.
NBA uniforms, those mountain ones.
Yeah. So we've gotten 2 of these, so I guess maybe they're not that rare. Who knows?
Well, they're from different products, right? Or no, they're both
yeah,
from the
well, yeah,
Blaster.
one's from Blaster, one was from Mega.
Okay.
But like, ooh, that's cool.
Silver Dominance of AD.
I like that.
Cool.
Another freaking Dennis Schroeder.
I got enough of him in the 2013 Eastern Conference Finals. So I don't need to see him again, or 15 or whatever. Torian Prince.
Your second Cavalier.
Bane. Kai.
Another Kai.
Oh.
Piston Silver. So close.
Sistens
So far away.
Pilver.
Would love like at least like one Cade or one Mob. You know, just
You gotta get something.
just let us, you know.
Hey, there's a Cav.
Well, yeah. Now.
Robbing Lopez. Hey!
There we go. Ask and you shall receive. Didn't get to do it twice. Here is Seer.
Thought that was gonna be Cav.
If Panini could just ever figure out how to get all the cards facing the same direction. Another silver. Hawks.
Trey Young.
Sharif Cooper.
Alright, last pack.
Silver Prizm rookie is nice.
I'm not complaining.
Alright. We got the Cade in the last one. Let's get the Mobley in this one. Let's just, you know, do it.
Just calling it.
Huh?
Alright.
This one will be a rookie, probably. Nah.
Nope.
Very opposite. Rookie? No. Oh. Okay. Bam. And. Oh. Bam.
That's it.
Yeah, I mean, I think maybe the Blaster?
I'd go Blaster.
Yeah, if I can only do one again. That definitely seem to have, like, still good variety, but yeah, the Mega for, like, 90 to 100 kind of just didn't feel like...
Unenthused.
Yeah. No Mobley! Damn.